So this is where we're at right here. We're gonna fly and we're just touch downtown and come back in about a 6 to 7 minute flight. What they just took, and what our most popular right now, especially with the weather being as nice as it is our event. Go to the bridge and then you're actually gonna buy the GM building and come back. Doubles your flight time and it's not double the cost. It's a beautiful, beautiful flight. If you guys are interested, we do.
They're trying to get me to get on this my flight. Baby, I'm scared. I gotta get on.
Welcome to my flight service. In a moment, one of our ground crew.
Meet 'em at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. Tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Nothing but love, nothing but love.
My vlog. We're off.
Just wait right here for a second. We'll get this photos pulled up for you just a minute, okay?
Thank you. I'm fixing my hair.